How to see the number of Snapchat friends you have. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can view all of your friends in your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Open up your Play Store. At the top search bar, typing Snapchat. If you see update sign here, tap on update. Now, as you do so, open up your Snapchat. From here, tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left. Scroll below, and under Friends, you will see My Friends. Just tap open that. Under Best Friends, you will see a list of all the people that you have frequently exchanged snaps with. And if you scroll below, it will show you all of your friends alphabetically. And here you can count how many friends you have. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.